Okay, so here we have the JBL Everest 310GA wireless headphones. Let's take a look at the box here. Let's unbox this thing. A lot of information here already outside. Comes with the Google Assistant support. Alright, so you can use it with that. Then what else? Legendary sound, of course. Here, ShareMe. You can connect multiple of these headphones together. Echo cancellation, comfort fit, and you can fold and carry this thing really easy. So then 5 minutes of charging gives you 1 hour of playtime, and a full charge gives you 20 hours of playtime. That's pretty impressive. Okay, so now let's take a look inside of this box here. So then we have some more information here on the bottom. Here, 10 Hz up to 22 kHz frequency response. Then 41mm driver, 3.5mm jack, cables, all kinds of stuff here that it comes with. Okay, so but now let's really have a look inside. Okay, so what do we got here? So first of all, it comes with a really nice carrying case. This thing is really sturdy. And what else is here? A little cardboard box. Oh, that's where the paperwork is in. Yeah, that's about it. Just like manual, warranty information, that kind of stuff. And then here we have the carrying case, really sturdy, with a wristband, so you don't lose this. It's actually got here this button. You can open this up and wrap it around something and then close this back up. This is really useful. And then let's take a look inside of here. Alright, so here's this little pouch on the left side. There we find here, okay, the aux jack with a small remote here, the cable, just one button remote, and I think the microphone's in there too. Then next we have here the charging cable. Looks like a standard micro USB cable, just what JBL is always using, so nothing new here. And now let's have a look at the headphones. Here, foldable. So this is how you get it, make it fit into this carrying case. That says Everest. Alright, shiny. Seems sturdy. So you can fold this together, twist it. Just in one direction. Can't rotate it in the other direction. And here you can adjust the width here for your head on both sides, of course. What else? Okay, then here the padding. It's okay. Not real leather, if you think that's what it might be. And then here the right earpiece, left earpiece. Okay. Left side has here the charging port, the micro USB port, and then the right side you can connect the cable, on-off switch, and then plus minus for the volume, play, pause. And then we have here the Bluetooth button, and also here this ShareMe button, so then you can share your music with somebody else that has like a similar pair of headphones. You can just connect those two together then. I haven't used this before, so I'm really curious to find out how that works. Yeah, okay, so this is already it. Hope this was helpful here. Oh, look at this here in the side. They show you how to fold those headphones together so you can get them back in. But yeah, so if you have any other questions, then leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out my other videos about these headphones.